Today, I want to share a classic Italian dish with you. It's called bruschetta. Bruschetta is simple. There is no cooking. You just chop, mix, and serve. The main ingredient is the tomato. You need ripe, fresh tomatoes for this dish. You will also need fresh basil, a small red onion, and garlic. Good olive oil is important. A little balsamic vinegar is nice too. For the bread, you need something with a good crust. A baguette or sourdough works very well. Start with the tomatoes. Chop them into small, even pieces. Put the tomatoes in a strainer over the sink. Add a pinch of salt and mix gently. Leave them alone for 10 minutes. Salt pulls water out of the tomatoes. The juice drains away on its own. After 10 minutes, give the strainer a shake. Then tip the tomatoes into a bowl and start adding the other ingredients. Now chop the red onion finely. Add a small amount to the bowl. Add 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. Chop them very small or grate them. A little garlic goes a long way. Now it is time for the basil. Use fresh basil only. Dried basil is not the same. Here is something important. Do not chop the basil with a knife. Tear it with your fingers instead. Tearing keeps the flavor strong. It also keeps the basil looking bright and fresh. Add the torn basil to the bowl. Be generous with it. Pour in the olive oil. Use the best oil you have. It makes a real difference. Add a small splash of balsamic vinegar. Season with salt and black pepper. Taste it and adjust. Mix everything gently. Try to keep the tomatoes in pieces. Now let the mixture rest for a few minutes. While it rests, slice the bread. Cut on an angle. Not too thick, not too thin. Toast the bread in a pan until it is golden on both sides. A little color on the edges is fine. While the bread is still hot, rub it with a cut garlic clove. The heat helps the garlic go in. Now spoon the tomato mixture onto the bread. Do not hold back. Pile it on generously. Take a bite. The tomatoes are soft and full of flavor. The basil is bright and fresh. The bread is warm and crunchy underneath. Everything works together perfectly. This is bruschetta. Simple ingredients and a little care. That is all it takes. Try making it this weekend. I think you are going to love it.